It's a great program because you can take both English classes or math classes at the same time and be done with them, and it's easier because it's just one teacher and one classroom. My tutor was Stephanie. She's very helpful because you get to form a bond with her and you have that trust with her. So if you need any sort of help or you have a problem, you just go to Stephanie. She's there anytime you need her.
I never really liked English. I was more like of a math person. Ever since I started taking this class, like, it taught me how to like actually love English.
When it comes to doing an essay, you don't even fear no more because, I mean, you already understand well the material you just read, so it just comes naturally when you...
I'm thankful because of that program, I have been exposed, to other students and other study skills that I didn't have before.